Assalamu alaikum. I am Adrita Nakshi presenting to you our CSE 408 term project csRecruitZ. csRecruitZ is basically a job posting website targeted to the job seekers and employers in the CS field. We took inspiration from the existing website btjobs.com and tried to develop it keeping in mind how job searching, showcasing CS related works and achievements, applying and shortlisting can be easier for a job seeker, and at the same time job advertising and screening the applicants can be easier for the employer. I have Simantika, Bhattacharjee, Dristi and Samira Akter as my project partners. We have used Django REST framework for our backend and ReactJS for our frontend. We have used PostgreSQL as a database. Without further ado, let us go directly to the demonstration part. This is our home page. At the very top there is a search panel. We can see there are 5 search criteria called search by keyword, which is basically a keyword based search. The next fields are job category, job nature, organization type and location. None of these fields are made required so that you can search using some permutations of this, or you can search without filling up any of these. For now I am going to fill up research and development as job category and full time as job nature. Here we can see 7 jobs are found as a search result. You can sort the result in the ascending and descending order of 3 criteria: most recent post, deadline date and salary. We can see as we have selected salary in descending order, the job with the highest salary is at the top of the list. In the left panel we can see our filter options like job category, location, job nature, required experience to screen the jobs the job seeker will want to see. For example, if we select security and part-time, we can see only 1 job is found, and if we select teaching, we can see 4 jobs are found. If we select required experience more than 5 years, we can see there is only 1 job which goes with all the filter criteria. Let us go to the details of a job post. If the job seeker proceeds to see the details, he will be redirected to this page where he will be able to see a detailed description of that job, including the job context, job responsibilities and different requirements. He can see a short summary here as well for a quick overview. As a guest visitor, one can only reach this much. To proceed further, one will have to log in as a registered user. Back to the home page, there are also 3 icon buttons called vacancies where you will be able to see all job posts, companies where you can see a list of all the registered employers. We can visit their profile from here, which I am gonna skip for now, and new jobs where you can see the newest job posts first. Now let's quickly move on to the login and registration part. Let's register an account as a job seeker. For demonstration, I am only filling up the required fields with some dummy data. Here we have kept the confirm password field to validate the password. The password is then hashed and the hashed version is saved in the database. By submitting the form, our registration is complete. Now, if we click proceed, the user will be prompted to add some extra information necessary to build his complete professional identity containing his job experiences, skills and projects, publications and licenses. He can add more than 1 experience by clicking add more button. For now, I am skipping these steps. The job seeker can choose his skills from here, and from his chosen skills he can specify some of those in which he is currently willing to work. He can also add as many projects, publications and certificates as he likes. Now I am going to log in with an existing user ID and password. We can see login has been successful. If we quickly take a look at the dashboard, in the personal information tab we can see all the personal information of the logged in user has been loaded. Upon clicking the edit information button, we can edit any of these. For demonstration, I am changing the name, and we can see the name has been updated. If we go to the professional information tab, it is a manifestation of the user's all works and achievements in the CS field. Here we can see the user's field of work is job experiences, skills in which the user can get a verification from our website by taking a skill quiz, projects, publications, licenses and certificates, and some preferences of the user. From here, the user can edit every information by simply clicking the edit icon present in every section. We'll come back to the other two tabs later. Let me show one more feature in the homepage real quick. Upon logging in, a recommendation section comes up here where the job seeker is recommended 5 best paying jobs based on different criteria like his location, field of work, job experience, skills he is open to work with, the preferences he provided, etc. Next, I will demonstrate the job applying and shortlisting feature. Going to the job details page, we can see there appeared 4 buttons as we have logged in. Apply now, shortlist job, follow employer, visit employer. First, I will shortlist this job. Now if I check the shortlisted jobs list in the dashboard, I can see that job we just shortlisted here. We can unshortlist any job from here too. However, let's get back to the job clicking this view details button. The user can follow and unfollow the employer by clicking on this button and visit the employer's profile by clicking on this button. Here in the employer's profile, we can see the details of the employer and a list of his job posts. We can see we have already followed this employer. The user can follow and unfollow from here if he wishes. Going back to the job again, now I am going to demonstrate the application procedure. Upon clicking the Apply Now button, the user will be given a chance to select from his projects, publications and certificates which he wants to highlight for this job application. He can also upload necessary academic certificates and his resume from here. The user can see a preview of his uploaded files as well, and in case he uploaded any wrong file, he can clear the uploads from here. Upon submitting, the user will be shown a preview of his application and he will have a chance to edit anything he wants before finally submitting it. If the user then clicks the Submit Application button, the application will be sent to the employer's end. The user can see his applied jobs from here in the dashboard. Now let us see the skill quiz feature. Let us take a skill quiz of C++. Here the user have to answer 8 questions, and if he scores more than the cutoff mark, his skill will be considered verified. We can see here that a tick mark appeared as we passed the skill quiz. Now let's shift to the employer part. One can also register an account as an employer in our website. Let's log in as an employer. This is the home page for an employer. Here we can see a list of all jobs this employer has posted. There is a job title based search option to make it easy for the employer to bring up any post. Besides, there is a create job post button to post a new job. Here we can see the newly posted job has appeared in this list. The employer can see the applicants for any jobs from here. In this list, the applicants are sorted according to their suitability for the job. We have calculated that taking into account their current field of work, job experience, if their skills match the job's required skills, etc. In this page, there are also some filter options and a multiple keyword based search option to make the screening process easier for the employer. For example, if the employer is looking for applicants who are skilled in ReactJS, have minimum 3 years of job experience, also may have some deep learning knowledge, he can easily filter them out like this. The employer can also see a summarized view of an applicant's job application from here, and for better knowing, he can know all information about that applicant from his profile in our website. So this was our project. Hope you all liked it. Thank you.